Hey there for Dragonfly and me, friends. I am always talking to you about my raised bed gardens. And in the past, I've also told you that I have always used wood raised beds. We've always made them. They've always been 1 foot high. And this year with our move and the new garden, I decided to, what I thought at the time was splurge, but these are so economical, it's not even funny. So friends, if this is your first time here, I'm Jean Roman, and I'm for Dragonflies and Me is my blog, my podcast, my YouTube, and all social media platforms. And I am here today talking to you about my raised beds. If you are here and at Amazon or at my blog, whichever, I just want to tell you how much I love these beds and how first easy to construct they were. I could do it myself, and I'm not real techie, or I don't usually have much success putting things together. I usually have my husband Dave or one of my boys do it, but I could literally put these things together myself with just simple screwdriver, a wrench, and my fingers. So all the parts come with it. I know that I saw some previous one, maybe two complaints about the nuts and bolts not fitting. Well, we bought 7 of these. Okay, so and I just ordered 3 more. So these were super easy to do. My 12-year-old son and I put one together. My 15-year-old son and 12-year-old son put one together themselves. And we did a race. We made a lot of fun. But they are really, really good raised beds. The ones that I purchased are 4x8, so 4 feet wide, 8 feet, 4 feet deep, 8 feet wide, and 2 feet high. The 3 that I just ordered, I got the 3x6 by 1 foot and 2 of the 4x8 by 1 foot. So I kind of want to add a little dimension to my garden. And after designing it all, I have some extra space. But as you can see here, I have 6 here and then 1 right here. I have built some arbors and trellises for them, and I am filling them raised bed style. So a layer of wood, a layer of straw, leaves, cardboard, whatnot. But right now, what I want to do is just give you my recommendation for purchasing these raised beds. I have a couple other friends that have said they purchased them and they are loving them as well. So I am growing everything in these raised beds. My tomatoes, my peppers, lettuces, eggplants, garlic, onions, cucumbers, kale, spinach, carrots, you name it, I'm growing in here. But they are sturdy. And what I really like about them is right down the center, they have a support bar. So you can't really see it in these ones because the dirt's covering them. But over here a little bit, you might be able to. So there are 4 support bars so that they don't bow in. Again, friends, I highly recommend these beds. The company shipped them out immediately. I got them within 48 hours, and the price is to die for. I paid $129.99 for them, which is incredibly reasonable. I actually decided originally to go with the galvanized metal raised beds rather than the wood, because at the time when I was looking at lumber was crazy expensive. And for what you're getting for that price with these raised beds is just phenomenal. So friends, I highly recommend them. If you have any questions, please message me here or at my email, which you can find on any of my social medias, or message me directly on one of those platforms. So friends, Jean Roman here for dragonfliesandme.com. I, again, highly recommend these. These are really sturdy. They are easy to put together. The equipment needed is basically a screwdriver, a wrench, and your fingers. That is it. And again, I could do it myself. My 12-year-old son could put one together, and they did it together with my 15-year-old son as well. So love these beds, highly recommend. And let me know if you have some, what you think. And as always, like I like to say, be sure to eat fresh, shop local, and have a happy day. I'll see you in the garden.